Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and that your device is on. And here, it tried to auto-connect, but I haven't connected to this vehicle yet, so that didn't work. So we'll close out of that. And then from here, you can either get your Bluetooth through the settings or the phone options. So under settings here, you got your phone or your Bluetooth. And then here, add new device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Make sure Bluetooth's on, which this is, and often if you press and hold, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So here we're going to look for sync. Sometimes this takes a few tries. Actually, Ford Expedition in this case. So we'll select that. And if it takes a while, you might need to restart your phone or the car.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So those random numbers do match. So I'm going to hit pair. And then yes. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one first before you can add anyone.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So you can connect your phone book if you want. And here you can make it the favorite, so it'll try to auto-connect when you start the vehicle if you'd like. You can sync up your contacts as well, if it's just easier for taking calls. And then, yeah, since I didn't give it access, and it doesn't have access, but normally you could read your texts and things through the car as well. And then for playing music, you can go through your audio, and then your phone. You can also click through the sources, and then you'll see that your phone is right here if you're connected. And then with that highlighted, it's going to try to pull up your music. And if you're having issues playing music from your device, first make sure your volumes are on as well. So if you're on this screen, make sure the volume's on as well as on your phone while you're playing. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.